Meet John. His company makes complex products with hundreds of parts. Design occurs in multiple locations, both with in-house development and using contractors. Competition is tough. The message from the CEO is better, faster, and cheaper. But how? What causes our delays? Where do we waste our time? Where can we work smarter? What if we could use our 3D CAD data to improve productivity? We have it. Why not leverage it? So why is CAD data so difficult to use downstream? If you aren't a CAD jockey, the model data is difficult to use for many reasons. It might as well be locked away. But what if my entire team could really use the CAD models, really use them, moving away from 2D drawings, screenshots, and photos? What if they could do their jobs with the virtual product? XPL is a unique 3D format with applications that deliver a new level of freedom to enable non-CAD users to leverage these 3D assets in order to solve problems facing the manufacturing company. XPL allows your CAD data to be used directly by non-CAD users. Plan part by part, then simulate and test the assembly plan, including tooling, and then create interactive assembly work instructions for the shop floor. Where can you use XPL? Any role that can benefit from using the virtual part and product data. Convert all of the CAD files for a product into a single XPL file. Next, author the content for the problem being solved, like planning the assembly process. And lastly, publish the results into any number of the alternatives, including interactive web pages, or iPad app, or to Microsoft Excel, and many others, which, by the way, are all free to the consumer. John is ready to unlock his CAD data. Are you? Find out more at lattice3d.com/learn, where you can also download our ebook, How Manufacturers Are Getting More Value from Their 3D Models, and our XPL white paper.